Are you ready to witness a groundbreaking revolution in the industry? Experience the rise of autonomous construction equipment at CellyorConstructionEquipment.com. Number 1. Unleashing efficiency. Embrace unparalleled productivity with autonomous machinery. These advanced equipment solutions operate with precision, speed, and reliability, optimizing your construction processes like never before. Number 2. Cutting-edge technology. Welcome the future to your job site. Autonomous construction equipment is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, artificial intelligence, and sophisticated software, paving the way for the smartest construction fleet ever. Number 3. Enhanced safety. Prioritize the well-being of your team. Autonomous equipment is designed with advanced safety features, including obstacle detection and collision avoidance systems, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Number 4. Streamlined operations. Simplify your workflows. Autonomous construction equipment can be programmed for repetitive tasks, allowing your skilled workforce to focus on more strategic aspects of your projects. And number 5. Eco-friendly innovation. Embrace sustainability without compromise. With optimized operations and precise resource management, autonomous equipment reduces environmental impact, promoting greener construction practices. Our website provides a seamless platform to explore and invest in these cutting-edge solutions. To experience the future of construction equipment and discuss your autonomous equipment needs, contact us at 214-773-0207. Our expert team is ready to guide you in making the right choices for your construction projects.